Good morning, people.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! It's 2017, 1st January, and our mom always says that whatever you start at the first, in the first day of the year, it goes along with you. So today we are here in a temple, Sai Baba Ji. So yes, it's Happy New Year.
And today we are gonna do or talk about what gears we use, riding jackets, helmets, all about riding gears. So talking about riding gears, the first and the most important thing about riding gears is the helmets. What better place you can talk about helmets is in front of Ganesha temple. Not everyone get a replacement head like the Ganesha did, so always wear helmet. I'm using MT Blade helmet. It is Spanish company and it is DOT as well as EC certification. And it's been a year with this helmet and it is serving us good. And we are having this Sena SMH10 Bluetooth device, and we'll be posting review for Bluetooth device as well as helmet in the upcoming videos.
As Sachin correctly said, that everybody doesn't get a replacement head, so wearing helmet is not even a choice. I am using Sol Unicorn helmet, which is basically I wanted the smaller helmet, but they did not have it. They did not have the stock at that point of a time, so they changed the padding of the helmet, which is not so great. Another thing is it is a bit heavier comparative to the MT helmet which Sachin is using. So for me, Sol is not recommended. About the jacket, currently I'm using the Cramster Breezer jacket, and this is my first jacket when we started riding 2 years back. I think in 2015 January I took this jacket, and believe me, till the time it has served me really very well. It saved me multiple times. You can see the impact here and all those. I had I think couple of falls. Yes, I do. I had, and it really helped me a lot. Jackets, guards and everything is very good, but now I'm planning to upgrade my jacket to a textile jacket. In fact, even in Northeast Ride I was planning to upgrade it. However, I was not finding any suitable jacket for me at that time. So yes, I want to upgrade it to the textile jacket. For even while buying this jacket, I did not find a female jacket with them. So I just compromised it, taking a male. It was male jacket with small size.
So the jacket which I'm wearing, it is given by Mahindra to us, being in first 100 customers. So this jacket is basically of DSG Genesis, and I'm pretty much happy with the jacket. It has good elbow and shoulder armors, but this jacket unfortunately is not for retail customers to buy. So what I would suggest is whenever you buy a jacket which has CE approved armors in elbow and shoulders and as well as on the back, so that whenever unfortunately if someone crashes or falls down, their armors will take the impact. So, and don't buy fully mesh jacket, because whenever you are sliding, these textile jackets will save you. Like for on those mesh jackets, only these impact zones are covered with textile, rest is all mesh. So if you are sliding for more than 10-15 meters, those jackets are not going to save you. So whenever you buy jacket, always buy textile jackets.
So now we are going to talk about the gloves which I am using currently. This I just recently bought this gloves for a Northeast ride. This is Cramster DRG2, and this is a wonderful gloves. The foam inside, it is very nice. The packings and everything is very good. The most important thing, which is initially I was owning Cramster Blaster, and it was a half gloves. while riding a bike, it was impacting my this area, and it was very painful. Many times I used to complain. I used to say, Sachin, that there is something I'm not liking with this bike and all this, but it was not actually my bike position of the sitting position. It was a glove which was not properly used by me, or I was not owning a good glove. So now when I'm using these gloves, believe me, it is just so comfortable. I don't remember for last 3-4 months my hands are paining, or I have any complaint about this glove. So yes, Cramster TRG2 it is.
As Kiran already told about her gloves, I was also having a Cramster Blaster previously. Before that also I've used those cheap ones, Pro Gear or Street Biker or something like that. After that, so when we upgraded our bikes to 250cc, 300cc, we searched on the internet that what are the benefits of full gauntlet gloves. That's why we bought these, because it has all the protection for your fingers, for your palm and for your wrists. So that is the reason we have upgraded to full gauntlet gloves. And these gloves I'm using are from Spartan. These are called Aspida Aries, and these are just phenomenal. Means I think if you want to spend money, you should definitely go for these gloves.
Okay, so now the review for the riding pants. Frankly, for any girls, if somebody is asking you to take a riding pant, you will say like, oh no, it will look so unfashionable and all those kind of a thing. But believe me, riding pant is one of the most important gear you should own if you're riding a motorcycle, or even if you're a pillion, doesn't matter. So initially when Sachin asked me to take a riding pant, I was like not convinced at all. I told that okay, I'm not going to take a riding pant. It is so it will not look good on me or something like. It will look so mannish. And but after I was using a knee guard, which my knee started giving trouble to me after because CBR has a different kind of a sitting position than Avenger 220, my bike which I was owning it previously. So, this is Ref's Teorix riding pant which I'm owning, and it is not so it is very good. You know, when you're riding a sports bike, your knees are so very well protected and it doesn't give you a trouble at all. And riding pant, I think if you're riding a motorcycle, riding pant is one of the most important stuff.
So Kiran already told that she's using her brand new pant. So this pant I've owning since I think more than a year. These are also from Spartan Odysseus touring pant. This has these mesh liners. These are 600D material. It has lots of pockets in it. It's actually a good touring pant because it has lots of pockets. 2 pockets here, these 2 pockets, and it has this hip guard. This is foam guard, and there are CE approved knee guards as well. So if you want to spend money on riding pant, then this brand Spartan is also good. The riding pant which Kiran is also using, that brand is also good. Apart from that, we really like products from Rhinox as well. We have tank bags from Rhinox, and their service is quite good. So talking about these shoes are Tarmac Tour shoes. These shoes have served us really well since Ladakh, then Agra, Nainital, and this northeast ride. I think more than 20,000 kilometers we have been using these shoes, and these are waterproof shoes. But currently, after using these many kilometers, while northeast ride, we felt that water is going inside it, but that is all okay after using, because I don't think these shoes last for more than 12 or 15,000 kilometers. So I think more than 1 year or 1.5 year we have been using these shoes. And this is the most neglected part about the riding. So everyone should have good touring boot or like riding boots, because if you crash, it has lots of guards in it. So talking about how these shoes performed, it's like I have crashed thrice while going to Ladakh. It was a big fall. Near Gujarat I had a fall. In Ladakh also it served well. And for Kiran, while Ladakh ride and for Northeast ride also, she had a minor fall in Northeast ride, and her leg was trapped inside bike. So if she wouldn't have wore these shoes, her leg would have been really hurt. And even for me, if I wouldn't have wore these shoes, I would have been hurt, and we couldn't have completed our ride. So thanks to these Tarmac Tour shoes.
About the riding shoes, I don't feel it is so heavy, but Sachin says that it is a bit heavier than the other riding shoes. And see, I can even jump with this riding shoes. So yes, riding shoes, it is very important.
So generally we get a lot of questions asking that from where you buy these stuff. Do you buy it online? No, because these are like very crucial for you. So fit and the feel of the things, gloves, riding pant, jackets, we generally, just like our clothes, we don't shop online as well. So we generally go to stores and try these stuff, and then we buy it. So generally we buy it from Outdoor Travel Gear, which is in Bandra and Thane as well. There's one more shop in Bandra, that is Moto 101. Rahul, that's a good guy. He has very much genuine products with him. And couple of things we have bought it from LMT, Let Me Tour. Eshan is doing fantastic job there. So that's it about the places from where we buy stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you did not like, please give it a dislike button. Do subscribe to our channel. It really encourages us. Within 2 to 3 months, we are having more than 400 subscribers. Thanks to you guys. It really means a lot to us. We did not thought that we'll get this much response.
And if you want us to make any other videos related to our gears or our motor vlogs, please leave a suggestions below in our comment box. It will give us a understanding about what we need to do ahead. Till the time, do keep
Roaming.